Good morning. One of the concerns for full-time travelers is getting the things done you would normally have done when you were back at your regular residence, or in our case back in the States. And one of those things is getting your teeth cleaned. So this morning Shannon and I are going to head over to a place called Australian Dentistry and get our teeth cleaned. She's currently in here drying her hair so we can get on the road. Say hi, Shannon.
Hi, Shannon.
So as soon as she gets finished with that, we're going to go downstairs, order a grab, and then head over and get our teeth cleaned. I'm not sure how much they're going to let us record, if they're going to let us record at all, but we'll try to get a little bit of footage of the inside of the office itself so you have an idea of what it looks like. We've been ordered, we're waiting on someone to pick up the ride, and for whatever reason here in Da Nang, electric vehicles are slightly cheaper than gas vehicles, and maybe some incentive for the environment, which is great, and we've enjoyed riding in the electric vehicles, or I have anyway. So
Yeah, he has to check out everything in the car every time we get in.
yeah, they're really cool.
Don't know how much you can hear. It's a pretty busy road, but we have made it to the dentist. We're about to head up the stairs and check in with reception.
Okay, so the first time we come here? Yes. You happy to do this one? Okay.
Just finished getting our teeth cleaned. It was about
It was $7.60 each.
yeah, so $15 and some change for both of us, and it took all of about 30 minutes. We walked in, there was a little bit of paperwork to do. A person came and got us, took us upstairs. They did a pano x-ray of both.
Sounded like R2-D2.
They did a pano x-ray. They took Shannon down first, and then he had to read her x-ray for a little bit, and then he did mine, and then I mean, it was pretty painless, as it should be. The service was great.
Yes.
The office was clean. They spoke English. We understood everything. The person that was, I'm not sure if the person cleaning my teeth was a dentist or a hygienist, but
I think it was probably a dentist and a hygienist. That's what I had on my side.
Okay. So
Very gentle, very kind.
Yeah, it was, not sure you can hear me, but it wasn't a total, like in the US, your hygienist typically cleans your teeth all by hand using just instruments. The person that cleaned my teeth, like I said, I'm not sure if it was a dentist or a hygienist, but it was an ultrasonic cleaning. And maybe that's why it went so fast. Maybe Paula's just taking such good care of my teeth through the years. Shout out to Paula, my hygienist and Kim back in Arkansas. Maybe they've done such a good job that it didn't take much. But yeah, it was complete ultrasonic cleaning, and in and out in 30 minutes. You can't be mad at that. You certainly can't be mad at $15. The x-ray was free, and the consultation from the physician was free.
Yeah.
So, all right, we're gonna go grab brunch now. And totally erase all their good work.
Good work, yeah.